Hi, I'm Wendy Johnson, Nelson-Jameson's Director of Safety and Corporate Compliance. The Quality and Safety Compliance Department is full of knowledgeable and dedicated professionals with decades of regulatory experience. What sets this department apart is our unwavering commitment to our customers. We understand that inspectors, auditors, and rabbis can show up at a plant at any time. When a customer contacts us needing quality documents quickly, we ensure they receive what they require accurately and promptly. That's important to customers. We get that and we make it a priority. It's one of the reasons Nelson-Jameson stands out among suppliers. We take pride in providing our customers with the highest standards of food quality and regulatory compliance. The Quality and Safety Compliance Department is dedicated to making our customers' workdays a little easier, knowing they can rely on us for their regulatory compliance needs. Reach out to Nelson-Jameson today for your regulatory compliance support.